Hello! In this video, I'd like to ask for your support. For the past 4 years, I have been making videos about smart home and Xiaomi smart home devices. If you watch my videos, you can see that it started as a collection of amateurish videos to help get information that wasn't so widespread. Then over time, I started improving my videos, and now your help is needed to get us to the next level. As much as I enjoy testing new smart home stuff, making videos and tutorials, I need to buy all the items I review, and I also need to buy some equipment. Getting some support means I'll be able to increase the quality of videos even more to your enjoyment. So if you're a smart home and Xiaomi fan, if you really enjoy my videos and value the work that I do here, support me at the level you can for as little as $2 per month. Thank you very much and see you next time.